Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in your Tinder app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Tinder app, and once you open it, tap on the login with phone. Once you tap on login with phone, now all you need to do is simply enter your mobile phone number and press on the continue button. So after this, a code will be sent to your mobile number, and once you type in your code, simply press on the continue button, which will allow you to get entered in your Tinder account. So now you can simply enjoy scrolling through your Tinder account as you are simply logged in into your Tinder account back. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.